Let's review what the installer setup looks like. Once you plug the system in, you'll get a main screen. Press and hold the time of day. Use the up arrows and down arrows to change the time of day. Select your settings button, second screen, and confirm your hardness for your water chemistry in your area. Everything else will be preset from the factory for a 20 days override. 2 a.m. regeneration. Once again, if you need to change that, you can, just by pressing it and adjusting the time as needed. Once you're finished, go back to your home screen, finish setting up the plumbing, and then you can force it to regen to start your backwash cycle by pressing and holding the regeneration button. This is a pre-fill, so right now it's filling water into your brine tank. You can advance it through each cycle as needed. Wait for the motor to finish turning, and then press the regen button. Your time is set. You checked your hardness. You force it through regen cycles to flush out the product, and you are finished as an installer.